Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video of mine. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make bay leaf tea. It is the most simple, easiest thing in the world. I've done this on my channel years and years ago, but I wanted to do it again. And what you're going to need basically is bay leaves, and you can get these on my shop, on my Etsy shop if you guys are interested, or you can get it at your local grocery store. You can get bay leaves almost anywhere now. And you're going to need hot water, which I have in my little cast iron teapot right here, and a cup. So what you're going to do, and before we get into the making of the video, what you're going to do is, first of all, boil your water. Okay, you want hot boiled water. Second of all, you're going to want your bay leaves. Third, you're going to need a teacup or a cup to put everything in. But the significance of this, the meaning of this, bay leaves are associated with victory. Okay, they're associated with getting your way, removing obstacles. They're associated with so many other things health-wise too. And it's very beneficial to drink this tea. Now you can add sugar, you can add stevia, honey, whatever you want, or you could just drink it like that, just plain old bay leaf tea. It's so good. It's so yummy, you guys. But also when you consume it, but also I do want to give a disclaimer, like, check with your doctor first if you can have it and stuff like that. Like, you know, certain people can't have it, and so you need to know your body before you can consume herbs and things like that. So I do want to give that disclaimer out, but let's go. Let's open the roads up in our life through our own bodies. Let's open our roads up through what we consume. Let's open our minds up with the energy, the spiritual powers of the bay leaf. Let's remove obstacles within our own self by consuming this, right? So what you're going to do is throw at least 3. I would say 3. 3 is a number of creating something new. 3 bay leaves. You're going to take your hot water and you're just going to pour it into your mug, and you're going to let that steep. Now the bay leaves that I have, these are Indian bay leaves. You can also use the regular bay leaves that we get at the grocery store. Whichever one you find, Indian bay leaves or regular bay leaves. And then you're going to let it steep for like 3 or 4 minutes. And then you can drink this. And what it does, not only all of the health benefits, you can you guys can Google yourself what the health benefits are of drinking green bay leaf tea. But the spiritual benefits is what I'm here for. So the spiritual benefits are that you get victory, you gain removal of obstacles, like roads clear up, you invite luck into your life. And it just helps you get healthier. It helps you move forward in a way where things favor you. So that is my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's a really quick one, and I will be talking to you guys very, very soon.